ABML stock, American Battery Technology Co. So the stock rallied to a gain of 15.05% in the session of the 30th of January 2023, and the news behind that rally was largely because of the fact that the company indicated that they are preparing for the commissioning of their lithium-ion battery recycling plant with onboarding of key operations team leadership. Okay, so the company, yes, they are onboarding key leadership members of that facility, okay, to support the commissioning of the company's lithium-ion battery recycling facility. These guys have experiences from Tesla and Panasonic. Okay, these new ABTC team members will provide key leadership for the commissioning and ramp-up operations at the facility. Okay, team will provide key leadership for commissioning and ramp up of production of operations at the facility, previously serving as the general manager of electrode manufacturing at the battery gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada for Panasonic. Kevin Gagnon has joined American Battery Technology Co. as its battery recycling plant manager. In his previous role, he managed a headcount of over 1,200 employees and over 1 million square feet of manufacturing operations with an operating budget of $175 million per month. Okay, so that's largely what was behind that rally, and we can see that as of the 30th of about a month ago, exactly a month ago, the stock printed its 52-week low, and many of us didn't notice that, including myself. I was on a regular basis, I see the stock. I really take a hard look at it, but what we're looking at now at the chart is an indication that maybe some of us should have bought this low. They should have bought this 52-week low of $0.41. It has since gained over 50% since that time. So it has gradually picked up, got a support from its 20-day moving average at some point now at 0.64, which is also where our lowest Fibonacci target is. Okay, so it's now coming into our projections. So coming back to a trading view, we have that the stock is actually bearish now. It's cooling off from those highs, or rather it's still pretty much where it closed at, but as of when the session was closing, it was retracing. So in the 1 minute live chart, it has downward projections of 0.6351 all the way down to 0.55. Okay, let's look at the daily chart and see what the projections are. The daily chart, which is also obviously not as reflective, which is not as it's not as fast as the 1 minute chart, obviously, so it's going to be reflecting what we saw earlier on in this chart. That's what it's going to be reflecting. Doesn't exactly reflect what is going on right now. And then it has an upper projection of 0.9046 dollars, but there are downward projections 0.6119, 0.4, roughly 0.5, roughly approximately $0.5, and then down to 0.3756. It has the lows of 0.1358. So, but the underlying trend, I believe, is a strongly bullish one, and in that session it rose above its 200-day moving average at some point. So at some point it actually was above this. It was actually above $0.71, but it's ultimately cooled off, and it appears to be rallying, no doubt, within a longer term bearish trend, driving its MACD above the signal line. However, shares remain below a declining 200-day moving average, signifying that the dominant trend remains lower. It's also outperforming the S&P 500. The momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for ABML shares, but at the same time as well, it has also cooled off from the highs it had around about a week ago, thereabout. about a week ago, and even at the early half of this month, January 2023. Okay, the volume for that last trading session was heavier than usual, trading 5.745 million shares versus an average of 1.519 versus an average of 1.591 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is showing that longer term selling pressure is giving way to near term accumulation by traders. So we have upper projections of all the way towards $0.9 for Abml. See what you make of it, and thank you very much for watching this video.